purpose. Okay, so welcome back, everyone. It's your boy JB in the place to be, and this video I thought would be appropriate at the end of the year. It's just a reminder for technicians to always keep your skills sharp. A lot of the skills that we have, a lot of the skills that even non-techs have, they're translatable to other things in the field, other aspects of our day-to-day. And in this particular video, we're gonna step through an experience my brother had, of which I had to assist. He had a bad battery, and he needed my assistance, and I went out there, and this is what happened. Okay, be sure to hit that like button, like, share, subscribe. Yeah. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so right here we can see that battery acid is basically eating away the bottom of the battery terminal.
Took away the bottom of it.
We can see what it should look like here.
That's wild, right?
Yes.
Get the fuck out of here. That's porn, bro.
All right, we can see the actual state of the battery here. We can see that battery acid basically came out the vents, got on the terminal, and caused the corrosion to take place, right? We're at an auto zone right here. We can see that the battery is, 5 years old? It's a 2017 battery, and it's in bad shape, right? And we can see that, we went for a Duralast.
I also recommend the installation kit as well.
Is that free?
No, it's $3.
All right, so just a sidestep here. Anytime we're troubleshooting, whether we're talking to a customer or some rando on the street that needs help, the first thing we always want to do is ask questions, right? You just don't want to get in there troubleshooting willy-nilly. I used to be a mechanic so many years ago, and the main problem that a lot of us would have is when a customer cannot articulate what the issue is. Half the time it would just devolve into you asking them to mimic the sounds, and everybody gets self-conscious with that. But if you ask the correct questions, or if you just ask enough questions, you'll ultimately get to the crux of what the issue is. Yeah, see, here just another thing here, you always want to clean your work environment. Yeah, clean it as best you can. I try to clean my trailer out all the time. This right here may be a waste of time though. But do the best you can with what you got.
Why are you working at the bottom? It's only the top part that's going to make contact. What I'm doing right here? Yeah.
All right.
Move that right there, Joe. Move that one out, please. This one. You recording?
Yes.
You can tell by the way you grab it, man. God damn. Anything for the fans. Wait. Motherfucker backwards.
It's turn it around, bro.
Frustration is setting in, bro.
That's another thing too. Some issues, some problems are harder than others, right? Some things are easy, some things are difficult, man. And yes, this video really isn't specific. It's more so to remind techs to, stay focused, right? And in this particular case, stay calm, stay focused, right? Turns out that when you're working at night, stress levels go up, which should be expected.
Hey, you see that?
Another thing here is no plan is perfect, but always keep your sense of humor.
You actually did something.
Right?
Put the positive on.
You don't want to be a comedian, when the chips are down and it's go time, but always,
Let me see the light now.
stuff could be a whole lot worse, man. And keep a sense of humor about things, and keep it light. That way you keep moving forward, right? When you get frustrated, that's when things grind to a halt. Then you're dealing with emotions, right? And that's always a bad thing, right? Stay focused on the issue at hand. All right?
Dude, it's all the way down.
No plan's perfect. That's why we got the shims, man. Take it from step one. All right. You still recording?
We're live. We're
Okay.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
I don't know.
You look like you're doing a reenactment of Predator or Alien. Remember, they took the
so
hand
when we went to AutoZone
and started doing the shit
this
with the
was my
knife
backup plan
on the hand.
because I saw the condition of the terminal. This was the backup plan, the contingency, the plan B, as it were. Makeshift shims.
You didn't explain what the hell you was doing. You just...
So it's all worn out, so we're gonna put shims in there. We're gonna pause it again right quick. So yeah, turns out no one carries this terminal except the dealership, right? It's not your everyday battery terminal. You won't find it at an AutoZone. You won't find it at a Pep Boys either. I don't know if Murray's had it, but earlier today I went looking for it, right? My brother came up with his own solution. You'll see it later on, but this actual post, this terminal, it's very tough to come by. It ain't even all that cheap. The regular terminals are like $7, $5 to maybe $8. When I was at the dealership, this thing was like $32, right? But it's worth it, apparently. So, yeah. And there we go. You got to transfer current from the battery to the starter to get this baby started. So my idea was to, increase or at least have some contact. Yeah.
About as snug as it's gonna be, Mike.
Turns out that it works.
About as snug as it's gonna be.
And here we are. My brother actually revisited this later on, and he had a couple of his guys makeshift battery terminal, so that it fits his Ford, man. So that's the last thing, man. If you're gonna implement a solution like this, always recheck your work and make sure it's up to snuff. The cap's gone, but hey, man, sometimes you got to cut away some of the material in order to make it work, right? But there we go. That's it. Just a couple of reminders. Applying different skills to a different scenario. We do it all the time. Just don't forget that you can do it, right? There's a lot of skills that we have. There's a lot of skills that everyone has that can be translated from one arena to the next. Okay. Thanks for a great year. We've reached 1,500 subs. Thanks for joining me, guys. I really appreciate it. And we got big and I got big things planned for next year. Big things planned, right? We're gonna take our studies even further. And I think you guys will like it. All right. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for joining us. And you guys have a nice night. Peace.